So we had Sean and his team rebuild our entire website that had been running for 15 plus years. So you can imagine how many pages and updates there were to migrate that all over. It was a huge project. Sean, again, I've known him for over 10 years. He's great at what he does. I trust him. I believe in him. That's why I worked out with him. I don't say that about many people, but he was on the ball. Him and his team are great. They're fast. They're responsive. He's willing to communicate with my team here, very in-depth, detailed on how we're going to build the site, how we're going to move it over, make sure all the pieces were working, not just on the desktop, but also on mobile. In terms of just the site, not just looking pretty, which I think it looks great. He was very in-depth and hands-on with from coloring to photos to text to fonts to the functionality of how it worked on all the platforms. But more important than that, just all the sales funnels that we had built, things that we didn't have set up maybe just right. He fixed and tweaked. So leads we were missing, now we started getting them to come in. All the automations working with myself and my team just made life a lot easier for us here. Obviously, I kind of have a unique business. We run a brick-and-mortar facility where we have people come in. We also have an app, and we sell programs all over the world. So there's a lot of different pieces moving. He was great on the back-end stuff. So in terms of how we built our email funnels and our sales funnels and our follow-up sequences and how we were capturing leads and reviews, and also just a real awesome educational piece on SEO and just brand awareness and a lot of the storytelling stuff that maybe we weren't doing up to par. He walked us through that. And so not only did we get a site that was functional and great and working properly in what I think is probably one of the best ones out there, the educational piece on the back end. If we had a question, he was quick to respond via email, send a Loom video. We could watch through it. I could learn it. My team could learn it. And now all these tools that Sean knows, my team here now knows as well. So if you're looking for somebody to help you build a site and you want somebody to help you with your marketing in terms of not just SEO and sales copy, but actually building funnels that can capture leads and convert them and put them into kind of a nurturing sequence and campaign, Sean would be the dude that I work with. That's obviously why I picked him. And again, I would have no reservations about recommending him to anybody in any field of what we do, because the process it's quick, it's seamless, it's done right. And again, if you do have questions as you go through, even when you're done building the site and working with him, he's happy to follow up, and he'll coach you, and his team will help you every step of the way. So buy without reservation. I'm happy I did.